徛台湾看世界，来看以色列甲伊朗伫个停火协议产生效力了后，也是继续互相来轰炸。是互美国的总统川普气噗噗来讲这个歹听话，讲这两个国家唔知咧变啥物网，尤其是以色列，互伊真袂爽。以色列是甲川普来承诺袂阁出兵咯，伊朗嘛讲已经准备好要来谈判。另外，美国的共和党有议员阁来提出，爱川普来争取到诺贝尔和平奖。
熊熊飞来一粒伊朗的飞弹，拍到以色列南部B18城市，也会摇动地一个小家庭住无偌久的新厝。
Do you think about what if you didn't have that safety room?
I wouldn't be here today.
是讲，昨美国总统川普才宣布，以色列甲伊朗要停火。即摆伊朗发射这粒飞弹，要处理甲西面地，互川普是气喘喘。
You know what? We basically have two countries that have been fighting so long and so hard that they don't know what they're doing. Do you understand that?
昨宣布两国停火川普，准备要去参加北约峰会的时，发现两国各开始咧牵炸弹。以色列放调讲要出动全军轰炸伊朗，唔信伊朗无发动攻击。川普对以色列的行为真袂爽，唔拿发文章甲美国立片，佮直接打电话给总理纳坦雅胡。
What created the problem was that the Iranians fired the missile one time 6 minutes into the ceasefire. Let's say, you know, that's borderline. But the second time they fired a missile 3 hours into the ceasefire, and while the missile was intercepted, didn't hit anything, it was still, you know, something that Israel saw as a violation.
老尾纳坦雅胡答应川普，以色列除了轰炸德黑兰的北部一座雷达站和南炸两台无人机，都未过进一步攻击。佮讲美国无倒一个总统像川普人才好着，斗相共维护以色列的安全。
ב-12 הימים של מבצע עם כלביא השגנו ניצחון היסטורי.
The president of Iran declaring that the country has achieved a quote historic victory, according to state media.
是讲为了民主问题，以色列甲伊朗拢讲家己伫这场冲突是历史上的胜利。伊朗的总统也表示已经准备好要翻头等下和美国协谈判。另外，有美国共和党的议员搁在提名川普去竞争6-8年的和平奖。
Hello， 我是张新文。想要抢先掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶快订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻 YouTube 频道。